Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
All right, we're looking at warmer temperatures for tomorrow, well into the 70s, but really kicking it into high gear by Thursday and Friday. The feel of summer with readings well into the 80s. Take a look outside. We are cool, dry, skies are clear, visibility is good. Temperatures that are in the, well, depending on your location, upper 40s to middle 50s, but rather quiet. What you don't see here in this picture is the fact that the humidity is somewhat elevated. So I do expect later in the evening, overnight, and towards daybreak tomorrow for a little bit of fog. Of course, the sun is strong this time of year. It's going to burn that off rapidly. Of course, the thicker smoke from earlier today is gone, but for tomorrow, some light smoke. Nothing like what we had today. Well, for starters, the smoke tomorrow, not only light and thin, but much more elevated. It's not sitting on the ground like today, but further up into the atmosphere, and it's not nearly as thick. Bottom line, it may cause the sunshine to be a little hazy, but otherwise a mainly sunny day. The dry weather continues now through at least Thursday, and I would say probably the first half of Friday. Next chance for some scattered showers Friday evening, Friday night. May spill over into early on Saturday morning. That summertime warmth, both Thursday and Friday, temperatures well into the 80s. Make the most of it. Noticeable effects, significant cool down over the weekend, especially on Saturday. So skies are clear across New England. It'll stay that way, though. A little fog developing during the overnight, early tomorrow morning. As we talked about earlier, that wildfire continues on the southern tip of Nova Scotia. Those winds over the ocean carrying that smoke plume. Even though the fire itself is 250 miles away, the wind was able to carry that plume into southern New England. But again, the thickest of that smoke is now moved to our north and west. Showers and storms off to the south over the Atlantic and the mid-Atlantic. This will stay away. We're going to keep things dry here over the next several days. When we take this into the future, tomorrow morning, sunshine at 9 a.m. It's in the upper 50s, and it actually warms up nicely to the mid and upper 70s during the afternoon. Pretty good. Tomorrow evening is clear. Jump ahead to Thursday, really kicking summer into high gear with temperatures between about 80 and 85 Thursday afternoon. Friday morning, starting with sunshine at 8 a.m. Temperatures already in the upper 60s, and the temps on Friday afternoon in the 80s as well. So early in the morning, a little bit of light fog, but it will burn off rapidly after 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. By 11 a.m., sunshine close to 70. Should be well into the 70s, mid and upper 70s tomorrow afternoon with hazy sunshine. Bay forecast, the wind once again onshore. That's the sea breeze. Southeast turning south 5 to 10 knots. Of course, with water temperatures mid and upper 50s. Quite simply, that keeps the coastline and the beaches cooler, but still nice with some sunshine. Much warmer Thursday and Friday. Temps well into the 80s, bringing in some of those showers. Friday evening, Friday night into Saturday morning. The rest of Saturday should be dry but breezy, noticeably cooler. We do the math here. Saturday maybe 20 degrees cooler than Friday. Slightly milder, not by much actually, but better on Sunday in terms of some sunshine. Temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s by early next week.